It's just a normal game, but what I've learned from all those matches, from the players that I've played against, I think it's just a little bit of, let's say, to me, I can step up because I've played against so many experienced players. You can see like the game for my dad played against Bakasu. It was such a great opponent and a tough one.
It's one of the crucial matches that we are having this beginning of the season in the year, and I believe the players, they're in a good shape. They are eager to work. They are eager to get their first win in this Confederation Cup, and I believe tomorrow we will have very positive results in our team.